know that exposure to sunlight can make your skin dull and age faster?
That's why it's super important to use sunscreen every day. This is it, Pestology Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++ to protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays.
Hey, you're using Pestology Sunscreen. No wonder your skin is glowing.
Of course, we use Pestology Sunscreen every day. It has a light texture and not sticky and absorbs quickly into the skin.
Hey boys, ask it too?
Yes, of course!
Where do we buy it?
You can get it on online store or offline store.
Pestology Sunscreen.
Skin protector in every step.